अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आप तमाम दोस्तों का हमारे एक और नए व्लॉग में खैर मकदम है। आज हमारी कंपनी के इवेंट का दूसरा दिन है और आज 27 दिसंबर 2025 है। अब मैं ये देखिए पीछे जो बड़ी आपको बस नज़र आ रही है, आज इस बस से आया हूँ और इवेंट हॉल में पहुँच चुका हूँ। यह है रिज़ॉर्ट और अब मैं चलता हूँ अंदर की तरफ, आपको व्यू दिखाता हूँ। माशाल्लाह से आज देखें एंट्रेंस कुछ इस तरह से है। ये देखें इधर हमारे कंपनी के फ्लैग लग चुके हैं, पूरी तैयारी ये आप देख सकते हैं माशाल्लाह। ये इस तरफ प्लेग्राउंड है, कुर्सियाँ चेयर्स लग रही हैं और मैच टूर्नामेंट खेलने वाले वो लोग आगे जा रहे हैं। ये देखें, कमेंट करके आप बताएं। ये देखें कल भी मैंने आपको दिखाया था, पूरा विज़िट करवाया था। आज मैं दूसरे रूम की तरफ चलता हूँ और आपको विज़िट करवा देता हूँ। ये देखें इस तरफ भी इस तरह है, बैठने की सीट्स हैं, जैसे एसी लगी हुई है, चेयर्स लगे हुए हैं। आप यहाँ भी बैठें, एंजॉय करें, खेल खेलें। ये देखें कल मैं आपको इस तरफ विज़िट नहीं करवा पाया था, मौका नहीं मिला था। ये देखें और मैं चलता हूँ, आपको बेडरूम और वॉशरूम भी दिखा देता हूँ। ये देखें इस तरफ भी एक सेपरेट बेडरूम इधर भी है। ये देख सकते हैं आप कुछ इस तरह से, ये कुछ इस तरह से होने वाला है। देखें ज़बरदस्त, यहाँ पे बेड लगा हुआ है, सिंगल बेड। यहाँ पे आप देखें इस तरफ अलमारी है और उसी से अटैच ये वॉशरूम, इसको भी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। ये देखें वॉश बेसिन कुछ इस तरह से है। ये देखें वॉशरूम, दूसरा वॉशरूम बंद है। तो ये देखें क्रिकेट मैच अभी लोग इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। आज का इवेंट जो है वो ख़ास है सिर्फ ऑफिस स्टाफ के लिए, जो कि लगभग 80-100 पीपल्स हैं। तो इस इवेंट का जो है वो मकसद है कंपनी के लोगों को आपस में जोड़ना, बातचीत करना, पहचानना, मुतारिफ़ होना आपस में। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कल का जो प्रोग्राम था वो सक्सेसफुल रहा, कामयाब रहा। और आज का प्रोग्राम जो है वो दिन में 11 बजे से शुरू होना है। अभी लगभग 11:15 साढ़े 11 हो रहे हैं, लोग आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आना शुरू हो चुके हैं और अब मैं भी पहुंच चुका। ये देखें अभी पानी वगैरह का इंतज़ाम किया जा रहा है, जैसा कि कल आपने देखा था। ये इस तरफ का है, सीट्स लग चुकी हैं, चेयर्स लग चुके हैं और अब मैं आपको चल करके अंदर का विज़िट करवा देता हूँ एक दफ़ा। माशाल्लाह इस तरह से देखें आप, ये मैनेजमेंट के लिए चेयर्स लगी हुई हैं, एसी है। ये देखें मक्का मुकर्रमा का बेहतरीन नक्शा। इस तरफ ये जद्दा, ये पूरी देखें आप चेयर्स लग चुकी हैं। इस तरफ ये खाने पीने का इंतज़ाम हो चुका है और ये आराम करने के लिए, इस तरफ बैठने के लिए। देखिए माशाअल्लाह से हमारे सईद भाई आ चुके हैं और कुरान करीम की तिलावत से इसको जिला बख्श रहे हैं। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। सईद कैसे हैं? ये देखें इस तरफ इस तरह है, इस तरफ ये पूरा जो है वो हम लोगों के लिए मैनेजमेंट के लिए। सलाम। ये देखें इस तरफ आपको स्विमिंग पूल और यह पानी कितना साफ शफाफ है, ज़बरदस्त, जिसमें आपके चेहरे नज़र आएंगे। और ये देखें पानी इधर से भी निकलना शुरू हो चुका है, बह रहे हैं ठंडा ठंडा पानी में। पानी को टच करता हूँ और आपको एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता हूँ। ज़बरदस्त, बिल्कुल ठंडा पानी है। ये देखें इस तरफ स्टेज लगा हुआ है और ये छोटे बच्चों के लिए एंजॉय करने के लिए कि इस पर आके नहाएं, अपना एंजॉय करें। ये स्टेज है पूरा रेडी है। और इस तरह देखें कुर्सियाँ लग रही हैं। और जो दूसरा इस तरह है वो कुछ इस तरह से होने वाला है। ये देखें कुर्सियाँ लग गई हैं। ये देखें इस तरह से कुछ है। मैं दरवाज़ा इसका जो है वो लॉक कर देता हूँ, इसलिए कि ये आप देखें। ये देखें 2 टीमें बन चुकी है। जाफर भाई कमेंट्री करते हैं।
9 आदमी की टीम हो तो भी कोई बात नहीं है। चलो ठीक है, 5-5 ओवर का करो, सकते हैं 5-5 का अच्छा रहेगा। 6 आ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, 6 का कर लो।
अल्लाह से देखें ये सारी टीमें तकसीम हो चुकी है। ये अब मैच शुरू होने वाला है। अभी कौन कौन खेलने जा रहा है विशाल भाई? अभी तो टॉस ही नहीं हुआ। ये देखें पूरी टीम रेडी है।
वो आगे आएगी तो इससे बेहतर ही नहीं आएगी आगे।
भाई काउंट करो भाई। 1 रन।
बॉल बाहर जाएगी तभी आउट है।
जाफर भाई का जीत गई जाफर भाई की टीम। थोड़ा वो नहीं जाके ताकत लगा रहा है। वो खाली से कर रहा है। माशाल्लाह से देखें खाने लग चुके हैं। और बिरयानी चिकन 60 35 या चिकन 60, ये देखें लोग खाने के लिए लाइन में लग चुके हैं माशाल्लाह। यहाँ पर खाना लगा हुआ है, अभी सर्व किया जाएगा। और हम लोगों ने इशा की नमाज़ अदा कर ली है। इशा की नमाज़ के बाद अब खाना खाने का तमाम है। फिर इशा के बाद इंशाल्लाह हमारे जो एंडिंग सेरेमनी होगी वो होगी माशाल्लाह। ये है खाना, लेडीज का लोग खा रहे हैं। क्या क्या है इस टाइम में बताओ खाने में?
चिकन 65 है,
ये बिरयानी
और चिकन बिरयानी है, और ये गाजर का हलवा है, ज़बरदस्त, और सलाद के साथ पूरा मज़ा आ रहा है।
ताहिर भाई देखें, इस तरफ देखें लोग खाना खा रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
The second one is for the rewards and recognition based here. The rewards and recognition we are going to give the management recognized for their the characteristics that they impact in the company, and the people they leave they impact the impression they leave in the company. That is the reason actually it is purely based on their personality and the characteristics, not based on their performance. First we are calling the teams we are calling the teams, those who win and those who are in the runner-up category. I will call them one by one, each team. Well, I would like to call upon Mr. Khalid Mohsin Ali Tanwar, our Executive Director, to come on to the dais to present the awards. Also, I would like to call Mr. Anwar Egmoor. Please come on to the dais to award the prizes. DSA Group Cricket Tournament, first Mr. Salman Ahmad. Please come on to the dais. Mr. Vinod Kumar Sharma. Mr. Abdul Rahman. Mr. Abdul Rahman.
पहले तो यार विनोद आगे से ऊपर जाओ। आप
Mr. Abdul Rahman.
अरे उसको देने वाली चीज दे देना, हाथ में पकड़ा दे। हाँ। हाथ यहाँ हाथ में पकड़ाता रहे, उधर ही बैठ, उधर ही चले जाओ।
Mr. Shahzad Ishfaq. Mr. Awais Ahmad Dalvi. Mr. Samir Ahmad. Mr. Yasir Ahmad. Mr. Ishtiaq Ahmad. Mr. Umair Patel. Mr. Tahir Idris. would like to call the captain of runner-up team to take the tournament cup. And the team, please join with him for the picture.
बैठ जाओ, थोड़े नीचे बैठ जाओ।
Mr. Amin Patni.
उनको बोलो उधर खड़े।
Mr. Sandeep Yadav. Mr. Vishal Ahmad Jafri. Mr. Imran Fayaz. Mr. Sharik Shadab. Mr. Mohammad Hasana. Mr. Syed Umar Ali. Mr. Saddam Hussain. Mr. Mohammad Sohail Tanwar. Mr. Mohammad Sohail. I request the team's captain, please be on the stage. I request the team to join for the picture. Mr. Fahim Ahmad. Mr. Abu Bakar Tanwar. Mr. Vineet Yadav. Mr. Mayan Al Khalidi. Mr. Ala Raslan. Mr. Abdullah Hanfi. Mr. Syed Umar Ali, Mr. Kampal Adil, Mr. Kamal Alam,
डाउन करो तो पाँव दिखे बोर्ड पूरा आएगा ये देखो
ऐसा
थोड़ा डाउन
इस तरह रहा
हाँ बस
Mr. Abdullah Atif, Mr. Ismail Jibril, I request the team's captain to take the tournament cup. Request team to join for the picture. Yo.
काय करत आहोत
Now I request the winners team football tournament, Mr. Adil Hunaidi, Mr. Ibrahim Al-Barkati, Mr. Ashraf Ghazali, Mr. Awais Ahmad Dalvi, Mr. Tahir Idris, Mr. Jihad Ismail, Mr. Istiaq Ahmad, Mr. Yasir Abdurrahman, Mr. Osama Amzad, Mr. Akash Akhtar, Mr. Tahir Tanwar, I request team's captain to receive the tournament cup. Zainul Huda.
ताली बजाओ भी जोर से
Mr. Masroor for football team. Mr. Masroor. Now it is the category of the quiz competition. We are calling Mr. Saeed Salim. The quiz competition, Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib team got win. Mr. Ashraf Ghazali. Mr. Abdullah Muhammad Atif. Mr. Sharik Shadab. Mr. Jafar Ali Noor. Mr. Masroor Hassan. Mr. Rab Nawaz. Mr. Nazir.
नाम था ना आपकी टीम जीत गई, टीम जीती थी आपके उस टीम में थे आप।
Mr. Hilal Ahmad. Mr. Hilal Ahmad is given the award for the handling and coordinating for quiz competitions. Now tug of war category. Mr. Abubakar Tanwar. Kids category tug of war, Abubakar Tanwar. Hamza. Muhammad Amin. Saeed Tanwar. Tahir Tanwar. Ibrahim. Musa,
शाबाश
Talha, Muhammad Fakhruddin, Zakaria, Zakaria,
बोलो बोलो
पहले गिफ्ट देना है, बस बच्चे हैं।
ये कौन सा है
Mr. Mazdial Gandhi,
ये फिर रिंग का पिकअप चला क्यों आया था
अभी आपका नाम लास्ट में आएगा ना, आप लोग विनर नहीं नहीं देखा भी नहीं देखा
तो गोल्डन
नहीं नहीं
Mr. Ali Sukhairi, Mr. Ahmad Jadad, Mr. Tahir Idris,
आज तुम कमाल कर रहे हो
Mr. Ali Nawaz,
रेडी
Mr. Muhammad Al Tayyib,
मेहनत करिए
Mr. Tamir Asesi,
ले मूसा
Tagafar winner team 2, Mr. Ghazali Fatani,
बुढ़ा बुढ़ा आदमी देखो
Mr. Abdul Rashid, Mr. Fakhruddin Kasmi,
सब बुड्ढे
Mr. Rab Nawaz, Mr. Akash Akhtar,
हाँ जाओ
I kindly request Mr. Liakatil Tanwar, please come on to the dais. I would like to request Mr. Bashar Ali Tanwar, please come on to the dais. And I would like to request Mr. Hussam Al Bishri, please come on to the dais. Good.
देखो मैं आगे कैमरा
Mr. Syed Umar Ali, Syed Akbar Ali. He is known for his proactiveness and commitment. Mr. Abdulaziz Muhammad Ibrahim, someone from Aindar team, please come and correct.
Ali Nawaz related.
Abdulaziz Muhammad Ibrahim,
Ali
someone from
Nawaz.
Aindar team.
मौलाना
Mr. Kizar Abbas. Mr. Kizar Abbas, he is known for his sincerity and hard working. Mr. Vinod Kumar Sharma, he is known for his systematic working and hard working. Mr. Hilal Ahmad. Mr. Hilal Ahmad is proactive, dedicated, and a good team player. Mr. Saeed Salim Muhammad Salim Kidwai. He is known for the loyalty, sincere, and discipline. Mr. Jainul Huda Shamsul Huda. He is known as a busy bee and hardworking. Mr. Salman Ahmad. He is known for his dedication and hardworking. Mr. Masroor Hassan. He is known for his dedication and hardworking. Mr. Abdurrahman Tahir. Mr. Abdurrahman Tahir is known for his discipline, dedication, and hardworking. Mr. Mohammad Hassana. Mr. Mohammad Hassana is a systematic, dedicated, and disciplined. On behalf of Mr. Abdul Latif, someone please come from the accounts department. I would like to request Akasha for Abdul Latif. Mr. Abdullah Musfer Mufleh. He is known for his hard working and dedication. Mr. Adil Muhammad Al Hunaidi. He is known for his sincerity and hard working. Mr. Ghazali Hussain Al-Fatani, he is known for his loyalty, sincerity and discipline. Mr. Ibrahim Ali Al-Barkati. On behalf of Ibrahim, I would like to request Mr. Adil to come onto the dais. Mr. Abdullah Muhammad Atif. He is known for his dedication and hard working. Mr. Sharik Shadab, he is known for his sincerity, loyalty, dedication and workaholic. We have a special category gift also. It is nominated by Mr. Abdullah Kubaisi for Mr. Hilal Ahmad. Hilal Ahmad, he wrote a book. The book name is called Mumbai Se Mumbai Tak. The book got published by the Government of India as an achievement. So we are giving a special award for him. Now we have R&R list. They are called actually, in Arabic, Dariba means VAT, value added tax. So they are actually Kariba, means they are very close to the company. They have been with the company, but so many of them are for decades. They are with the company. So first I would like to call Mr. Muhammad Ismail Muhammad Shafi for his steadfastness, hard working. Mr. Muhammad Ali Nawaz, he is known as dedicated, sincere and smart working. Mr. Amin Abdul Ghaffar Patni, he is known for his hard working and the dedication. Mr. Vishal Ahmad Ishtiaq Jafri, he is known for his discipline, dedication and hard working. Mr. Rajesh Radha Gopalan, he is known for his dedication, discipline and loyalty. Mr. Fakhruddin Kasmi Imamuddin, he is known for the loyalty and hard working. Mr. Okasha Akhtar Malik, he is known for his intellectuality, loyalty and dedication. Mr. Abdul Rashid. He is known for his sincerity, punctuality, discipline, and hard working. Mr. Jafar Ali Noor Muhammad. He is known as an exceptional performer. He is known as exceptional performer and pillar of the organization. Mr. Mazdi Al Gandhi. Mr. Mazdi Al Gandhi is known as loyal and dedicated. Now, Mr. Hussam Baqi Al Bishri. He is known as the outstanding performer, loyal and dedicated. As I said to you earlier, Dariba means value added tax. Okay. Now we have one more. There is an Ariba in Arabic called actually brilliance and intellectual. So the brilliance of our company is Mr. Abdullah Kobaisi. He is visionary, his leadership and analytical lead.
क्लिक करो तो यही कर देना।
And Mr. Tahir Idris Muhammad Idris. He is known for his trustworthiness and upstanding. Mr. Hassan Behlib. He is recognized for his sincerity, dedication and loyalty.
This is for Muhammad Ahmad himself. So I think he deserves a lot. That's why I have to tell him and call him for the certification and appreciation. In a very short time, he has achieved a lot.
Now, I would like to request Mr. Abu Karim to share his thoughts. Mr. Abu Karim.
للإدارات المختلفة في مجموعة اللجنة الماسية الرائدة بقيادة الوالد المؤسس لياغات تنوار وأبنائه الكرام على رأسهم الأستاذ مشارات والأستاذ عمر والأستاذ خالد والأستاذ عثمان. كما أتقدم بالشكر لكافة الإدارات المختلفة بالمجموعة لما قدموه لنا من دعم المستمر وفي قطاع اليقين المتقدم للتجارة بمشاريع البنية التحتية. تمكنا من خلال الأشهر الستة الماضية من إنجاز عدد من المشاريع المتعلقة بالبنية التحتية، قسم الاتصالات موبايلي، وهو تحول كبير تجاوزنا تحدياته بفضل الله تعالى.
First of all, thank you very much for inviting me. It's really my honor to join this event, and it is really remarkable by all means. I've been in the industry for 35 years, and I have seen pretty far different diversity of an experience, and truly this is one of the very unique experience I have seen. I have seen a committed team who had actually an engagement with the business for more than 30 years, and it's very rare to see in an industry that somebody are committed for 40 years, which is I'm gladly to see it here. And I'm sure this kind of extension of time has not happened from fake. It happened from a committed people and a committed management that they are actually supporting their team. Now, my experience came with the father, Mr. Liaqat and Bisharat brothers, Khalid and others there. And needless to mention any great words about them, because actually the growth of their business, the success and the diversity reflects how much commitments they have in the business. Honestly speaking, we as MAF are really very delightful to join hands with you guys, because we always believe that selecting the right team and individuals before really having an equipment and machinery, because I was telling the guys today morning that the business does not succeed from availability of cash or availability of an equipment or of a market, because all of these things could be bought and could be created. But you will be really very lucky if you have a committed team to work with you. And thankfully, your group, which I have seen individually in a very few interactions, has the very high committed team working with. I wish you all the best, inshallah. I hope really 2 years from now, the new Green City will have a more bigger team to join you, more success to tell a story. And I think 2 years, inshallah, is not far away from here. Thank you very much, guys.
To address the event and also share his thoughts.
We enjoy it. We'd like to hear you.
Bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we had a really nice gathering. It was, I wouldn't say it is third, but inshallah we will continue to have more, bi'iznillah. And especially, we are all the team, as Mr. Sami have informed us just now about something that he have felt about our team. And I really thank everyone as a team member, who are some new and some have been in decades with us. I really appreciate everyone and their presence with us. The awards and certification which we have given is really mean something to us as a family. It's not about just giving some motivation or appreciation. What we have given is what we really mean, that this objective and agenda of our gathering was purely on the personality, the behavior, along with everyone. It was nowhere related to something that is, let's say, about performance of the company, performance of a person as an employee or a staff. So we have gone through the behavior of people who were with us since long years. And obviously the Muhammad have said VAT, value added tax. So they will inshallah be more with us to guide others as the team. I am really thankful for Mr. Sami as an honorable guest. I am really thankful to have my father, a respected father. He is the chief guest. However, he is the only one who has been with us for all these milestones. And I believe we will have more of our ongoing leadership with such guidance as, mashallah, we just learned that in a very short period, Mr. Sami have seen an oversight and, let's say, a feel of coming 2 years, he mentions. He has such a nice team as Mr. Muhammad Sharif and MAF, as very dedicated for our relevant field. I will be more than happy to say that you, as yesterday, have seen our concern about the health of our employees is more than I think you will realize for yourself. We believe in having a health conscious life for each and every one. It's not about food, it's about our lifestyle. It's about our habits, if we can improve it to have a healthy lifestyle, because our families are waiting for a nice healthy person with them as their leader in their home. I would really love to know more about each and every one if you have something as an idea. However, I would continue saying that, as in Quran, Allah Azza wa Jal mentions us, A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, wa idha ta'adhana rabbukum la in shakartum la azidannakum. Surah Ibrahim, ayah number 14. And when your Lord proclaimed, if you are grateful, I will surely increase you. In the ayah second, wa in ta'uddu ni'matallahi la tuhsuha. Surah An-Nahl, ayat number 16. And if you were to count the favors of Allah, you could never enumerate them. And then Allah Azza wa Jal have given us this feel of gratitude. Yani, رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ مِنَّا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ. Surah Al-Baqarah. I would just mention that the feel of gratitude and being thankfulness is always a person thinks that he can do. But it is more than having a sabr, a patience. A person can be alleviated more when he is in a feel of gratitude, whatever circumstances he is. I would go ahead and give Mr. Anwar Yaghmoor to call him on the dais. Mr. Anwar Yaghmoor, he has been with us since long years. It is a time that he feels he is want to have some break for his retirement, and we can only respect to what he has given to the company, his time, his all efforts that he could have given. However, every one of us know he has been the most social in taking efforts for the companies, even if it is such a gathering, but his health doesn't allow him anymore to continue taking more pressure or efforts. I really thank you, and from our heart and on behalf of all the group, Mr. Anwar, inshallah, you are with us. We just give you a relief that you will guide us, even being not in the company. So we can just give you a small appreciation as a gift, that's all. However, there is no return for your time, for your efforts that you have given for the company. We really thank you, and inshallah you will be with us always, biiznillah. I have one of our more than important personality, Mr. Engineer Amit Chobe. Although he is not associated with us, but he is not with us at the moment in the company, but his vision, his being a well-wisher for the company, and his way of thinking for future, diversification of the company, his ideas and things I really always appreciate. And I would give him a small, I would give him my warm regards for being such interacted with all of the team. And we really thank you all of us, Amit, to be associated with us, although you are not permanently with us. Thank you, Amit. There is something that always we all think about, say, increment of salaries, which we all believe in, and that is part of our financial requirement, all of us. It's not about the company owners, it's not about senior managers, it's about everyone in this world. However, sometimes it is to be understood, it's not about the job or the job description or the actual, let's say the persons being present at the time of job. I believe it's about a responsibility a person has been given by the management or by, it's about the trust that we think that a person who is being in a job description, yes, it is accepted. But when you are responsible, it is something like if I say to everyone, when there is a flower and if it has a fragrance, all will smell. It's not about saying that there is a flower and there is a fragrance. Everyone can smell a fragrance without specifying. So there are certain personalities which we can really smell their fragrance of their hard work, their trustworthiness, and their being present in the company. So in those things, I believe many of you are giving your all efforts, but there are some outstanding personalities. I have no words for them. However, I'll mention there are 2 or 3 which I have especially given more responsibilities. There is nothing to say as promotions, there is nothing to say as an increment, but yes, I believe giving them more responsibility. One is our Hussam Al-Bishri. He has been dedicatedly with us. We are giving him more responsibility as legal and compliance and support service area. So he will be taking care of the complete group in this area. Jafar Ali has been dedicatedly since so many years. I will like you all to come at least once a year. And being head of operations now, he has been promoted and given a title of Director of Operations, inshallah. In a very short time, we have learned Muhammad Ahmad. We all are in touch with. MashaAllah. That in a short span of period, he have felt his presence, Jafar Bhai. So he has been given not as an executive assistant, or he is now an office manager of the management and managing director. I really request all of us to pray for them, for this new responsibilities we are giving them. They will be more, inshallah, into their giving extra efforts. I have Abdullah Kubesi, mashallah, asking me himself, Abdullah, to give him more responsibilities. They are very rare, such kind of brilliant personalities. He asked me that he is not enough, we are not using him more. So this is something I really am thankful to have such team members with us. So we have asked Abdullah if you really need. He has given his excellent performance. Inshallah, he will do more, and we asked him to take care of our metal scrap division as well. Inshallah, he will be taking care of metal scrap division. So this is something really, I believe that these are the people and these are the team. I would request Mr. Muhammad Sharif to come on board. Yani حلوين, yani على قول Sami Sharif. You have to, Mr. Sami Safran, you have to be there. So this is something that we all are awaiting to know who are exceptional in our team. I really respect and I'm thankful for each and everyone who have given their time, whoever have got appreciation and awards, and it was because of their own dedication towards the company. So I thank you again about being with us. There is something, an announcement of being happiness of our group, that we are growing, alhamdulillah. The first thing is Mr. Sami Safran and his team as MAF. This year they have joined us, which will bring more strength and value, obviously, for us. And your vision and guidance, Mr. Sami, such as our father, has always given us the right guidance, but we believe your insight of the industry will give us the right guidance, and inshallah your team is with us. So I really thank you. The other announcement is that we have, alhamdulillah, as Tadweer Al Jazeera, we have a new team, new operation in eastern side, which I have taken initiative, Mr. Sami, to be very clear and very sincere on your terms and your words. When I went on the condolence of you asked me, Bisharat, why don't you go ahead with Eastern? I took that and I came to my team, I have to do something in the next time. So it was you who asked me to do it. And I did it, alhamdulillah. It didn't take me 3-4 months. So we were dedicatedly that I have to honor your words, alhamdulillah. And it is for all of us, it's not for us, It is, we are growing together. So the Tadweer Al Jazeera team, inshallah, will be a really value added in our group. We have, mashallah, Al Yaqeen Contracting, you recently knew. They have joined us and mashallah, I appreciate that they have initially started and made the base and foundation of the division. So there are so many, mashallah, experiences that we have gone through, and all, alhamdulillah, have been successful. And recently we are, inshallah, growing with Makkah, alhamdulillah. So we have a lot to do, a lot hard work to do for all of us. Together, ya Mr. Muhammad, we need you always for the guidance, yani. So I really respect everyone who have been in our company, joining us together, and it's your all trust that you trust us as the management and owners, inshallah. I have one thing to say for all of us, inshallah, and someone who doesn't understand English, I would request the others to make them explain. We are in a ship. I mentioned that in Urdu to other staff and employees. And we are in a ship that is sailing together. It's someone is captain, someone is other responsible, and someone is other. However, it's a ship that everyone is sailing. So if we want to go to a destination, we'll all go together to that destination. If la samahallah, if there is a hole in that ship, all will be affected. So I request, if you find a hole, please come in front, ask us to take care of that hole, and you will be the first one to tell. So it's a ship that we all are sailing in, and there are more coming in, because each and every person has a family member and an average of 5. So it's not about us as 350 or 400, it's about our families back end that we are careful of. So I really want you all to be careful about your health, about your families, and the most you can take care of your behavior with each other and with your own families. So this is something more important for us, inshallah. Health is something really important. Please take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to say in the end of this wonderful event, I would like to extend on my behalf of myself and the Al Yaqeen company for our sincere thanks for everyone who helped to success, and I wish all the best in the future. Thank you for Mr. Bisharat, thank you Mr. Khalid, thank you for all. Today have a nice sleep, please. We don't want any sick leave tomorrow. Thank you.
المجموعة كاملة، والله يعطيكم العافية. صراحة انبسطنا وما شاء الله تبارك الله، كان في فعاليات كويسة، والحمد لله إنه نجح الحفل، وإن شاء الله بإذن الله نشكر للحضور ونشكر للشباب، الله يعطيهم العافية، مستر بشارة والشباب كلهم الله يعطيهم العافية، وإن شاء الله القادم أحسن إن شاء الله، وإن شاء الله نكون في أعلى المراتب بإذن الله.
Jazakallah khair.
Guest of honor for his being so occupied and busy with so many events and you say occasions. He has given us time in a very short notice. That was something really appealing for us, and we really thank you from bottom of our heart, Mr. Sami, Mr. Muhammad Sharif. He was stuck with his passport, but he made it. And the final and the last for the team that have organized this event. We are just here to enjoy this event. So I really thank all the team, Ahmad, Hilal, Mr. Abdullah, Kubesi, and all your team, being it labor and others. We really thank you for organizing it and making it so, lively. It wasn't boring, I hope, for everyone. Thank you very much, all of you. Mr. Abdul Samad is one of the team that has given his last moment ideas, which have made it really good. We thank you, Mr. Abdul Samad. So inshallah we have the whole night. I don't know how many of you will be on the job tomorrow, but you are free to enjoy the whole night, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. People who want to go can go, who want to enjoy can enjoy, inshallah. यल्ला अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अल्लाह तबारक अल्लाह। ये देखें अब पूरा इवेंट ख़त्म हो चुका है, सारे लोग एंजॉय कर चुके हैं माशाल्लाह। अब सब ये निकलने का वक्त हो गया है। आप देख सकते हैं सारे लोग तस्वीर ले रहे हैं, ग्रुप पोज ले रहे हैं।
अब बसौर नाम है
अखमश दी अल्लाह दी माशाल्लाह।
अहला वसहला गुड ब्लोय
शुक्र।
माशाल्लाह हिलाल भाई बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। अच्छा वो अगर ज़्यादा वजनी है तो देखें गाड़ी है बड़ी है मेरे पास।
शुक्र देखें देखें इवेंट में हम लोगों को कंपनी की तरफ से जो गिफ्ट मिले हैं, ये देखें ये हमारे नाम का यहाँ पे है, अरे अब्दुर्रहमान भाई की का। आप देखें मकसूद भाई अब्दुर्रहमान।
अच्छा
हाँ माशाल्लाह।
ये आपने मुबारक हो भाई। कौन सी बुक तुमने यहाँ से बैठे बैठे
माशाल्लाह। ये इवेंट पूरा ख़त्म हो चुका है। की तरफ से मिले हुए गिफ्ट की अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं, देखते हैं इस बॉक्स में क्या है। माशाल्लाह। हाँ क्या पैकेज है? 7 पीस चीज़ की अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं, देखते हैं इसमें क्या है। ये जो ओवन है खाना गर्म करने वाला, ये देखें इसकी ज़रूरत सर्दियों में घर ख़ास करके पड़ती है। गांव पे अभी कम इस्तेमाल होता है, लेकिन शहरों में ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल हो रहा होता है खाना गर्म करने के लिए। देखें हॉट पॉट बोलते हैं इसको, इलेक्ट्रिक है। इस व्लॉग में बस इतना ही। अब इस व्लॉग को यहीं पर ख़त्म करते हैं। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।